Yo, you gotta check the kicks though. But for today, we're gonna be upgrading the dash. So let me go ahead and show you. We're gonna be updating this right here. Hold up, the sun's kind of in the way. This right here. This beautiful thing right here, all digital. And I'm gonna teach you how to install it. And let's go. So what you want to do is take off right here. I'm gonna teach you how to do that. You also got to take out this one and this one, but this one's pretty easy. So look, just like that and take out. But if you do get stuck on it, I can teach you how to do it. So it's gonna be like this. Ooh. See where she's, I don't know if you guys can see it right there. You get the little hole and it basically goes like this. You go push it down and counterclockwise and push out and just pull it right out. All right, so once you get these three done, you got to take this off right here. But since you do have right here, you can just kind of push it out just like that. Once you do that, you got to hit the safety pin up right there and this one right here, and then just push it out with your screwdriver because you don't have that much room. Just take it out like that. Then with that, you're gonna get this little 7mm right here. Take that one out. I'm about to take it off right now. Put this somewhere so you know you won't lose it. I'm gonna put it right here. Then up here, there's another one. Right over here, there's another one, but it looks like whoever had this car before me didn't put it there, so that's another 7mm. Then you want to move down over here. All you gotta do is just pull right here and it kind of comes out. So I have wires right there. You're gonna use it right here and another one right over here. All right, so when you're done, pull the lever down, get some room, push that down. Hold up, lock it in there, and then just yank just like that. All right, once you do that, you're gonna see all this. It's gonna look pretty scary. It's not. You're gonna have to use this bolt right here. I think it's 4 of them. And let's go ahead and take that off. And once you take all that 4 out, you just grab this and you can kind of move it. Just wiggle it out. And this is all the good stuff right here that we need to take off and unplug. Once you take that out, you take this old busty clustered looking one and you go throw it away. No, I'm kidding. You're actually gonna need this, and time to get the new one. All right, so you just want to put it up like this and just put your wiring. So these two will go right here, and then this one goes here, and then the antenna is right here, and I ran it all the way through here, and it's right in here for the USB. And basically that's it, man. It's basically plug and play, and I'll go ahead and put it up right now. Once you're done with everything, plugging it in, check if it works. And look at that. Now let me go ahead and put everything back and let's get this rock and roll. Alright, once you're done, you're gonna want to put the dash back on. Just push it back. Just like that. Look how that looks, man. Perfect flush fitment. It looks so good. All right, so moment of truth. Now let's see how it goes. Man, look how this looks, bro. It looks so freaking beautiful. It feels like I'm in a brand new car. So let's go ahead and do it. It does say my doors are open, because it's true. My door is open. I'm gonna close the door on you real quick. Oh, it closes. Look at that. Hey, I like it. I like it. Let's see. Let's rev a little bit. That works. Gas works. Ooh, I mess with this. I like it. All right, so after kind of playing around with it, I ended up figuring out that this motherfucker is touchscreen. Look at that. So let's just go to terrain. Let's see, snowfall. No. Hey, so change it to snow. It goes here. One more time. Let's go here. Let's go to highway one more time. There we go. Highway. One more time. Let's go to car settings. Overspeed function. Key. Okay, not bad. How do I go back from here? Overspeed. Okay. Then you can kind of change the style. Let's go with SUV. Give that new look. Go to style one more time. Let's go to map style. And let's go one more time. Let's go to style one more time. Sport. Man, this is so pretty. This is pretty cool. First time ever playing with this thing. It can also play music, navigation, see travel. Let's go back over here. Let's go to navigation. Whole Google Map up in this thing. And the only thing it does, it is in kilometers. So I'm gonna try to see if I can change that. Well, other than that, I like it. It gives it a whole new look, man. I dig this thing. Let's go back to style. Let's go to SUV mode. Feels like a whole new car, man. It feels like a whole new car. This is so cool. And I'll give you a full review like in a month. See how I like it. All right, guys. Hope you guys like it. It was a pretty quick, easy video. See you guys in the next one.
Yeah, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash. Yeah, nigga, I got a real ambition for this cash. Yeah, 13 years